Okay, so just a couple things before we get into the programming, just a couple simple terms that I think are important in case if you're starting off. The first is the difference between hardware and software. And so hardware is like all the physical elements. They're all the things that you're actually able to touch. This would include everything that's like on the Raspberry Pi, like all the what they would call the components that actually make the Raspberry Pi work. And so, the keyboard is hardware, the mouse is hardware, these wires are hardware, the Raspberry Pi is hardware, the monitor, all that good stuff. And if we were to open up this case, all the things inside, the plugins and the adapters, all that, all those components are considered hardware. And so it's just to make sure you understand that. I think most people do. So it's, by no means am I trying to insult your intelligence, but just that's important. And then the software is everything that runs in the computer or in the Raspberry Pi. And so all these different programs here, the Python and Scratch and Sonic Pi and Minecraft and all these things, that's all software. That's all the stuff that are programs that run on the system that actually make the hardware work. And so the software is kind of the code and the brains to make the hardware actually do stuff. So now that we get those two terms out of the way, let's jump into some of these other things.